Hi, Carly from Victor's here. As it's probably been a while since you've been to your last real-life event, we wanted to put together some handy hints and tips to help you prepare for the forthcoming FAB 2021 conference and exhibition. We hope these tips help you feel prepared and make the most of your time on site. So the event agenda is now available on the FAB website, and I would highly recommend that you go and check it out now. This means that you can plan to attend these seminars and talks that are of most interest to you and are most relevant before you get on site. This means that A, you won't miss anything, and B, on the first morning of the conference, you don't waste any precious networking time scrolling through the event agenda. You've already got it all planned. Now, with such a jam-packed agenda, you may not have a chance to visit all of the exhibitors that you'd like to during the networking time. In that case, we would suggest you do a little bit of advanced planning, have a look at the event website to see who's going to be there, and then why not contact them to set up some chats or some product demos that suit the schedule that you're building. For example, if you'd like to see a demo of My Exams, our software as a service remote invigilation platform, we would be delighted for you to come and visit booth number 1 and we'll give you a demo. So after a couple of years of virtual networking and video calls, the idea of doing face-to-face networking may feel a little bit daunting, but FAB 2021 is going to be an amazing opportunity for you to reconnect with peers, with colleagues, and also to make new industry contacts. So we suggest you plan to make the most of every networking opportunity. This might be saying hello to somebody in the coffee queue, or introducing yourself to your seatmate in a seminar, or even attending the FAB Awards this year. We say be brave, say hello, smile, and you never know what your contacts could lead to. As it may have been a while since you attended your last real-life event, we've put together a couple of top things to bring along to make sure you feel comfortable across the whole 2 busy days. First up, make sure you wear comfortable shoes, and we suggest bringing along a jumper just in case one of those conference rooms gets a bit chilly. Next up, of course, you might want to bring some hand sanitizer and some breath mints to make sure you're feeling fresh for all of the networking you're going to be doing. Of course, a notepad and a pen is very, very important to take notes, or you may be going digital this year, so don't forget to bring a charger or a battery pack for the phone or tablet or laptop that you're planning to take your notes on. And finally, don't forget to leave a little bit of room in your conference bag for all of the goodies you're going to pick up in the exhibition.